Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
This right here is DJI's newest handheld drone, the DJI NEO2. Let me tell you, this thing is unbelievably light. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The NEO2, including its battery, weighs just 152 grams. Yes, even lighter than most smartphones. Even if you pack it with 2 batteries and the charging dock, the total weight is only 325 grams. So tossing it in your backpack barely adds any weight. You don't even need a special case. Just slip it into your regular bag and you're good to go. In fact, you can even skip bringing the remote controller if you want. That ultralight design alone makes me want to carry it everywhere. Whether I'm heading out for a hike or just strolling through the park, I find myself taking the NEO2 along simply because it's so compact. It's effortless to bring, and I get those awesome aerial shots without feeling weighed down. So yes, lightweight and portable are the 2 biggest highlights of the NEO2. Now, you might be wondering, if I'm not carrying the remote, how do I control it? Well, DJI thought of that. The NEO2 actually supports 4 different control modes: handheld takeoff, smartphone control, remote controller, and racing drone mode. For beginners, handheld takeoff is by far the easiest way to fly. Once you've selected the flight mode, all you have to do is press one button. That's it. The drone takes off almost instantly, skipping all those usual setup steps. Landing is just as simple. Hold out your palm and it'll fly right back and gently land in your hand. It's clean, smooth, and super satisfying to use. Out of all the modes, follow mode became my favorite. It's like having a personal cameraman that never gets tired. You just focus on walking and the NEO2 automatically tracks and films you. It can follow from 8 different directions, including front and side angles. During testing, it barely lost track of its subject, only occasionally pausing when faced with obstacles or tricky terrain. Apart from its built-in flight modes, you can also use the DJI Fly App. It comes with preset flight patterns and lets you switch to joystick mode for free control. The controls are the same as the physical remote, so using your phone is perfectly fine for everyday filming. As for Wi-Fi transmission distance, we tested it in a park surrounded by trees. It flew around 200 meters before the signal started to lag. In cities with more interference, that distance might be shorter, while open areas could give you a bit more range. Still, for casual shots of landscapes, friends, or even vehicles, it's more than enough. One thing I love most about the NEO2 is how simple and intuitive it is. Whether you're taking off, landing, or filming with your phone, the whole process is super beginner friendly. It's basically a drone you can use straight out of the box without needing a tutorial. And if you want to take things to the next level, you can attach the digital transmission module. That's when things get exciting. 2 antennas pop out at the back, and you can connect a remote controller, FPV goggles, or even joysticks. With this setup, the NEO2 becomes a much more powerful drone. It flies faster, farther, and gives you way more flexibility. Of course, that version does require a bit more skill to master. Now let's talk safety. The NEO2 features a fully enclosed protective shell, so you won't have to worry about scratches from the propellers. There are also 2 small bumpers on the front designed to protect the camera if it ever bumps into something, a small but really thoughtful detail. In terms of active safety, this drone comes with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. In our test, even when we pushed the joystick forward at full speed, it stopped itself just half a meter before hitting a tree trunk. Inside the app, you can customize how it reacts, whether you want it to hover, detour, or set a more aggressive avoidance level. We ran several intentional crash tests, and honestly, the NEO2 surprised us every time. It almost never hit anything. And what's amazing is that this kind of all-around obstacle avoidance used to be reserved for high-end drones. DJI putting it in a beginner-friendly model is a huge win. For new pilots who usually crash once or twice before getting the hang of it, this feature makes flying stress-free. You can just enjoy the experience without worrying about breaking your drone. To really push its limits, we took the NEO2 out for a mountain hike and let it follow us through thick forest trails. The paths were tight, full of branches, and even walking there was tricky, but the NEO2 kept up impressively well. In super dense areas, it did get tangled once, but thanks to its protective shell, it came out completely unscathed and kept flying. That combination of passive and active protection really builds confidence. Now, about the battery, it weighs just 47 grams, giving you around 15 minutes of flight time. So one battery won't last long, but that's where the battery kit comes in. It includes 3 batteries plus a charging hub, so you can charge while flying and rotate between them for nearly continuous operation. After flying, you can instantly transfer your footage to your phone and even apply quick edits or beauty filters before posting. For someone like me who likes to share photos or clips right away, that's super convenient. Overall, the DJI NEO2 left a strong impression on me. It's lightweight, compact, simple to use, and above all, incredibly safe. It's the kind of drone that invites you to actually take it out and use it instead of letting it sit at home. With its smart safety features and effortless control, even complete beginners can enjoy smooth, cinematic shots without any fear of crashing. So whether you're flying solo or filming with friends, the NEO2 gives you that extra creative angle that makes everything look better. All right. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment below. And of course, subscribe for more tech reviews and join our growing tech community. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye, everyone.